Let's turn this into this.
Okay, we'll start preparing our green onions, shredded cheddar cheese, and cooked bacon. Once you have all these prepared, set them aside. Okay, next we'll move on to our actual baked potatoes. We'll slice them in halves. They are still going to be hot. Really just work with the temperature that you're comfortable with. Whether you use a spoon or an ice cream scooper, as I'm doing here, we'll scoop out all the insides and we'll add them into our bowl. And we'll make sure we clean out as much as possible. And we'll go ahead and add some butter. And I'm using a hand masher here. If you have an electric hand mixer, go ahead and use that. Add in a little bit of milk and mix these really well. We want them nice and creamy. A little bit of pepper, a pinch of salt, and then the sour cream. Okay, we've got a nice creamy mixture, so we'll go ahead and add in our green onions, bacon, and cheddar cheese. How about a little bit more cheese? There it is. We want to give this a really good mix. We're doing this all with a spoon here, no electric hand mixer required. And now we're going to line a baking tray with a piece of parchment paper and add on the potato skins to there. And we'll simply be scooping our mixture right back into those skins and smoothing over the top with a spoon or a rubber spatula. I normally do mine in 2 layers like this. I'll add in 1 scoop, smooth it over with a spoon, and then add on the remainder and smooth it over with the rubber spatula. Finally, I'll take my fork and I'll swirl and fluff everything so that way I can get a nice crust on these once they're in the oven. Add a little bit more bacon and a little bit more cheese if you choose. It is completely optional here. My extra kicker for these is freshly grated Parmesan. It adds a delicious kicker. We'll go in the oven on bake or broil until they have a nice golden brown crust. These look simply delicious. Be very careful, they are extremely hot coming out of the oven. And we'll garnish these with a little bit of chopped parsley.
Twice baked potato. Let's try it. It's gonna be so hot. Boom! That is so good. Wow. That is so good. Please do not ruin these by putting ketchup on them. You can if you want, but you'll enjoy it.